Good evening friends, this is Vicky Dan here. In this video I am going to explain how to draw knuckle joint IN part in creo parametric 2.0. Here is the knuckle joint I part. In this video I am going to tell how to draw this knuckle joint I part. Let's move to the topic. Open creo parametric 2.0 on your PC. Click on new, part solid, untick the default option, go for MMNS part solid. This is the drawing interface. All the dimensions of knuckle end is given in terms of diameter. In this diagram I am going to show how to draw knuckle end with a diameter of 30 mm. First, go for any of the plane. I am going for front plane and go for sketch. Here is the sketch view option. Either you can toggle from here or you can have the sketch view option in the setup tool. Sketch view, anything you can choose. If you go for sketch view, the entire plane will be in the drawing area. Now draw two concentric circles of diameter D and 2D. I have chosen the diameter as 30 mm, so the inner dia is 30 and the outer dia is 2D, 2 into 30, which is 60. Give center lines so that while doing assembly it is useful to select axis coincidence. After the sketcher you go for extrude. The extrude length of I will be 1.2D, that means 1.2 into 30 mm. You can directly give the multiplication factor in creo. This is the extrude length. Now select the surface. The surface is highlighted with green color. After selecting the surface, go for sketch, so that whatever sketch we are now drawing will appear on the surface. The surface acts like a plane. Go for sketch view. Now here you can find references. Go for references so that you can have a clear reference to draw the object. Select all references and close. Now we have a project option here, so that whatever the reference or the edge we are clicking, that will be projected like this. The circle is created, it is projected. Now take a line. The distance of this line is 4D from the IN, which is 4 into 30 mm. 4D. The width of the IN part will be as same, which is 1.2D. So we can directly draw here and we can give this directly as 1.2 into 30 mm, which is 1.2D. Now connect these two. Go for delete segment option. Remove the extra material. So that whatever sketch we need, it will remain. Ensure that the body should be in yellow color so that it represents the solid part. Click on OK and go for extrude. The extrude length is also 1.2 mm. Here we can have the arrow direction so that we can change the direction. according to the direction we can give extrude 1.2 into 30 mm. Enter. This will exactly coincide with the eye part. Now select this surface, the surface is highlighted, then go for sketch. Again go for sketch view so that you can have the exact sketch view as a single plane. Go for references, select the boundaries so that we can draw the diagram with reference to that sketches. Now we need to have a center line. For that we will just draw a line and we will take a axis from the middle. Again delete the line. Here is the center. So draw a circle of 1.2D. Now here we can have a palette option. It will have standard shapes. In palette go for 8-sided octagon. You just drag the component to the surface area. We have to drag it. If we single click or double click, it will won't work. We have to click it and drag it to the drawing area, then close. Now zoom it, align the center of polygon to the center of the circle. Now increase the polygon such that it touches the circle as a inscribed circle. You click on OK. Delete the circle so that we can ensure the polygon is an inscribed circle polygon. The polygon we have drawn is an octagon. After drawing octagon, go for OK. Now extrude the octagon. We have seen this. Change the direction to opposite direction. Give approximate length like 1.2D, 1.2 into 30 mm. And now here we have an option called remove material. If you remove the material, it will remove the material in that shape. We have a flip option here. If we flip, it will remove the material which is not inscribed with the polygon. You can see the difference of the flip option. Now click OK. Now select the octagon surface. The surface is highlighted in green color. Go for sketch and sketch view. As usual, go for references. Select the references. These are all the references. Again we have to locate the center point so that draw a line. Go for center line. From the middle draw a line, and from the middle draw axis. At this center we have to draw the shaft. Shaft is of D, which is the diameter of the given object, which is 30 mm. Go for OK and extrude. The shaft length can be given here. What the mistake is, we forgot to delete the line. The line should not be there. The object should be completely solid. Now go for extrude. The length of the shaft is your wish. I am taking it as 50 mm. click on OK. Now the eye part of the knuckle joint is completed. You can deselect all this to have a glance view. Thank you very much, friends.